My name is Akash Telgu. I study in Chogile, SYBA, and I have got a National Child Award for Exceptional Achievement in the year 2001 in the hands of Vice President Mr. Krishnakant and late Sri Krishnakant. I have won many national motocross races. I'm a motocross racer. I play baseball for Goa team. I'm a GCA State Cricket Empire. I've done many live concerts with Varsha Usgaonkar, Ravindra Sathe, Remo Fernandez, Rahul Vaidya, many more. And talking about Society International, it was a very good contest. Right from the month of November, it started. The preliminary rounds were held in Goa, then the semi-final in Mangalore, and then the finals at Qatar, Doha on 25th May. And it was a really tough competition, especially at the semi-finals. It was very tough, and then in the finals I sang three songs. One was Duet with Queenie, then other was the Hindustani classical song, and the other was the Western genre song. In the Indian style, I sang Poison Fire, the Shandlakar, sang by Abhijit Lolekar. Then in the rock style, I sang Ecto, which was originally sang by me and directed by Chris De Silva, son of John De Silva, famous jazzist. Then the lyrics was given by Subraj Kirkar. It was really a tough contest, and I really tried my level best to win this, and I achieved it. The people were very supportive there. It was a good hospitality was given to us. Really enjoyed being out of India. But I felt like I was in Goa only. So much love I got. And thank you for giving me this title. Thank you, Eric sir. Thank you, Ronald Plus. Thank you, Frankie. Thank you, Alfred Figuera. Thank you to Thomasin sir. Thank you to Guru and all judges. Thank you to Goa Welfare Committee. They supported us a lot. Kept a special party on the occasion that we brought a pride to Goa. And thank you each and everyone. Thank you.
Who was the most difficult judge to please?
The most difficult judge?
Yes.
The judge were very fair enough. Very fair with everyone. And my favorite judge was Thomasin sir. Because he gave me a very good comment. Actually, all judges are very good. They noted the mistakes very well. We could improve a lot on that. And now I will work on the mistakes I made. And it was the judges were very experienced. The main thing is I have done many charity shows. One for Gujarat Relief Fund, one for Kargil Relief Fund, and I have received a email saying that I was the first Indian child to help India by Kargil Brigadier. And I used to do stunts, like I used to keep 3 stands in the same distance of 4 meters, and I used to apply fire for it, and I used to remove a 8 blindfolded. So it was a really good achievement for me.
But how old were you when you started it?
I started motocross stunt when I was 5.5 years old. And my dad is a motocross racer, and he's a national motocross racer.
What's his name?
His name is Mr. Akash Telgu.
What are your plans now as far as singing and
singing? I would like to do singing more live shows. Responsibilities are more now. People know me very well, and they know what I'm capable of. So I want to prove each and everyone that I can do much more. And I get a chance, I could be a Bollywood singer also.
All the best.
Yeah, thank you very much. Okay, so main coincidence was the place where I stay is called Raia, and I got the title of Rai Kogull, and Queenie, known as Queen. So she has got the title of Rai Kogull. It's a very then here I have my parents, my dad, Mr. Rajan Telgu, my mom, Rajvi Telgu. They used to act in dramas, and they fell in love there only, and it was a love marriage. Then my dad is a national motocross racer, and I am also a national motocross racer. And today it's their wedding anniversary. So I really like to congratulate them. Congratulations, mom. Happy marriage life. Happy wedding anniversary. And happy wedding anniversary. And my dad is from Goan. Mom is from Shiroda. This Telugu surname I got because my native god is Balaji. So because of my native god Balaji Tirupati, I have kept my surname is Telgu. Otherwise, some people know me as Borkar. And dad is known as Borkar. Some people know him as Borkar. So my grandfathers are from Assam, but we are Goan.